everyone, it's me Jyoti
and I'm Leenata,
and today we are doing a makeup challenge and this is the makeup look. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see. I'll point here, you can see the image, and we both are going to try to do this makeup look. We have put so much makeup stuff. I'll insert a video here. You can see so much makeup in front of me right now. It's too much.
So we are going to basically try and recreate this look in the best way possible, and we are hoping that we will achieve this look as closest as possible, and obviously you guys can later on tell us who did it better. Maybe she did it better, maybe I do it better.
I feel like she is going to kill this look. I am like,
I don't know. So this is also the very first time I will be even attempting this makeup.
Same,
so I have no idea how it's gonna turn out.
So let's start the makeup and we'll speak in the end. Bye guys.
Let's see.
This is our final makeup look.
What do you guys think?
What do you guys think?
It was a struggle to do this for sure.
It took 4 hours.
Yes,
It really
I know.
took 4 hours. So we did a proper shading on the neck as per the picture, which I'm keeping here. And we did a proper lip color and the eye in that all different shades, right? And I try my best to do this black with the golden line. It's screwed up twice if you have seen the time lapse. And this is the worst part of the leaf. Ask her. She had tried and she had finally
It was a struggle to do that for
it was
sure.
like completely a struggle. But yeah, I try to manage to give a little bit shape with the eyeshadow, but still I feel like I'm the closest to picture. Even she is close to the picture. She did it a little light in the tone, and I did like more darker shades and all that.
Yeah.
So now we're going to take some pictures. We'll post after this, and you guys let me know who is the best and who did nice, and do comment about it.
It was lovely, I think, doing this, even though it took so long. I think this part, as you said, took equal time as we do our eye makeup. If you guys feel eye makeup is difficult, even this was equally difficult. I mean, we can't explain. It was so difficult, and I think we still had a lot of fun though doing this and pulling each other's leg while we were doing multiple steps. So it was a fun thing to do along with Jyoti, and I hope we'll do many more videos like this in the future.
Every week there would be a video with her because we stay very close to each other.
Yeah, right?
Yes. So thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. Love you all. Do subscribe, share, and comment, and follow us on both the social medias. And I'll put the name in the description. And do a see you then. Bye.
Bye.